how flattering this angle is. We're going to first. Different sides. Perfect, and we're done. What's up, guys? So I'm helping my friend Sadeez do a video for her Instagram for her hair business. Teaching girls how to do basically the salon look, but you know, every day, because you gotta rock it. You can't just be looking good one day out of the month or however many times you see your hair lady. But I figured I'd make it into a video for you guys too, because why not, you know? Here I am, walking to the salon, and I'll check in with you guys in a second. All of this. I got hairpins in there too, I think. Oh no, I don't. Right here. It actually looks really nice right now. Get rid of this bulb right here and then show you guys how to curl after that. Them shoulders though. Karen K. So I'm going to be using some curry sauce products on you. Something that's sulfate free. Gonna help moisturize your hair at the same time as clean it. Since you live with me, can you just wash my hair every day? Yeah. Thanks. So, I'm gonna buy a bowl just so you can wash my hair. Perfect. Shampoo. Ooh. By Kerastase. Because the molecules of the product is the perfect size for your hair molecules. For your cuticle. For your pressure okay? Yeah, I do. I'm just awkward in real life, so it's no different with a camera in front of me.
Hey, this is Kevin.
It is Kevin. Start oil. Yeah, and then it kind of takes a moment for it to focus. There. The frizz control for humidity is just a spray. Okay, so I'm gonna blow dry you first, and then we're gonna dry your hair. We're on. This is our haircut after. This is her haircut straight, very lived in. I love this behind the ear right here. How it goes up. Love this on the face kind of look. Now we're gonna curl it up, or any cut really. I find my part. We're gonna do a side part for her. I'm gonna take the front sections first. I always recommend doing the front first. The cleaner your sections are, the better you're going to get your result. I'm gonna use this Babyless Pro iron right here. This is 1.25 inches. Now with my curling iron, this section of the rod, you wanna keep in mind to take the same exact section. So turn your head for me, Karen. So I'm gonna take this section because it's the same size as my rod. Anything bigger, I mean, you're not really gonna get the heat in the curl. This is our first section right here. I'm gonna go right into that middle. We're gonna curl it up. Just a really nice wave. That's why I like to use the 1.25 inches, because it creates an inch wave. If that makes sense. My second one, I'm gonna go the opposite direction. Different sides. Perfect, and we're done.
umph right here, it doesn't have that awkward bow.